Of course, we all know creating your digital product takes days or even months to build your own digital product, like structuring your content, structuring your sales page, and so on. But there is a missing part most creators overlook that makes them lose many sales of their digital items. And it's not about the quality of your product, but how it's presented. And that's where mockups come in. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can transform your digital products from May or a normal digital product into irresistible. And your mockups is not a decoration tool, but a strategic sales tool. And to be more clear in this video, so just have a look at this picture. Here is a plain PDF or a book cover like this one. So it's abstract book cover. But when you use mockups here to show off the beauty of this digital product or this ebook, it would be like this one as a tangible digital product and in use. Something people can just imagine holding at, using at, and benefiting from, as you see. Like this one, if you are talking about the physical and the printable and so on. But here you can just feel the power of mockups by transforming your abstract digital product, think planners, calendars, courses, or anything, to tangible digital product as you see. So now, Raymond, why do mockups boost the conversions and digital product sales? There are 3 points. The first one, of course, that is the visual proof. People need to know what they are buying, what is your product is. So for sure, if you take this an example, your ebook, just you can, if you use a polished mockup, would elevate your own digital product from abstract to concrete. So it's like saying I am real and just use me. And the second point, of course, the professionalism. Of course, the clean mockup elevates your product and its quality. And subconsciously, people can actually associate that with your own quality of your product because you do care about anything about your product and even the small details. And number 3, of course, is about the connection or the emotional connection. Of course, when somebody just look to your own PDF cover or the homepage of your website, so here you can transform your just plain PDF into an irresistible digital product in real life, in real scenarios. Your mockups tells stories here. Like you can think about, just imagine person using your own and reading your own ebook, cozy couch, or using and designing with your templates. And of course, you've got to diversify your own mockups to promote your digital products in different devices and in different angles, like someone reading your own ebook on a couch, or someone else in reading it on a table or in office, and so on and so forth. That makes your own digital product appears in different situations, or show off the beauty of your digital product and this ebook or something in different screens like a tablet, iPhone, tablet, and so on. Okay, that's it. So diversify the appearance of your digital product in different ways. So of course, you don't need to be expert in designing your mockups to be attractive and irresistible. Nowadays, you can find many tools that enable you to create stunning and attractive mockups and completely for free. For example, you can use canvas.com. Here you can search for mockups here, and then you can find a big collection of these mockups that cover many physical and digital products, as you see, like planners and templates, courses, ebooks, and so on, as you see. Or get easier just by specifying more mockups plus your digital product in question, like courses and so on, as you see. And not only that, I just provide a slight taste of these mockups ready for you to use regarding your digital product. As you observe, these mockups ready only for this digital items. And of course, it's a slight test of 155. And of course, if you get the whole package of these mockups, you can actually join the digital hub that contains over 30 million digital products BLR license. Or even better, you can get this digital hub as a bonus when you get the DigiPlaybook, the same system and the frameworks I use to get my digital product consistent sales. So you can find all these links down below in the first comment and description box. And says the first website, Queryprofit.com. And now we can move on to the second website, of course, the king right now on design, that is Nano Banana, even on Gemini or anywhere else to be used Nano Banana Pro. So here you can insert and upload your image of your cover or a screenshot of your digital product in general, and just insert your description or your prompt to create your own mockup in different situations or in different scenes as you want, in your mother language as you want, Arabic, English, Spanish, Portuguese as you want. Okay. Of course, regarding AI tools, I can just recommend you ideogram.ai. Here you can find splendid results here regarding mockup generating. Here you can insert your prompt and upload your reference image and just to give you awesome and splendid results as you see. Ideogram. And just you can use this awesome website that is recraft.ai. Here you can find a generous free plan. And here you can find an awesome built-in mockup generator. And of course, I just talked about in details. You can find this video down below in the first comment and description box. How you can use this mockup tool to generate your mockups based on your description as you want. So you can use this mockup generator even on print on demand, on digital product selling, and so on. And the next website quickly, that is playground.com. It's an awesome website. Here you can find many of these editable posts, templates as you want. But regarding creating your mockups, you can go to this one mockups here. For sure, you can find plenty of these mockups, especially for physical items like t-shirt, stickers, and so on. But you can find a few for digital items. And the best part, you can upload your and edit your image here just by going to this tool and get and pick one of these mockups you can find anywhere, and just to customize it regarding your prompt and your description. So you can take an inspiration from anything and just convert this same mockup to a new unique version using playground.com, and for sure free of charge. And the next website quickly, that is the mockupphone.com. Here you can display your own digital product in different screens, like for laptops, tablets, iPhones, and so on as you see. So you can actually select one of these screen and these devices, like a tablet for example, and you can select one of this like iPad, and just upload your screenshot or the homepage of your course or your website, and it would be applied to this screen immediately. And for sure you can download this image completely for free. And the last one I just love so much, that's about website mockupgenerator.com. Here regarding promoting your website, your AI SaaS tool, or your templates and so on. Here just to insert the link of your website or AI SaaS tool, and it would be applied to different devices. Here there's a package, PC, screen, and tablet, and iPhone, or individual ones like iPhone, tablet, PC, and so on. And for sure you can download all these images for free. So it's about you. Just you can use these tools to create your own mockups to promote your digital products professionally and smart. And as I said earlier, you can just, if you want to promote your own digital products in a structured way and with proven steps to get consistent sales, so kindly have a look at the system I use daily, the DigiPlaybook. You can find this link down below in the first comment and description box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.